So this week's Daily Geography is all about projection maps. Now, projection maps are special maps that map makers have devised to try to show the Earth so that the areas that are at the North Pole and the South Pole aren't quite as stretched out so that it looks more accurate. Remember, a globe is round, it's a sphere, and when they try to flatten it out, areas that are closer to the North Pole or the South Pole get stretched way out of proportion so things don't look right. Now, this week we're specifically looking at a Robinson projection map. That's one type of projection map. It was invented by an American who had the last name Robinson. It's named after him. So, this is a Robinson projection map. You'll notice that the edges are curved to try to help keep things more accurate. We still have the tops and the bottoms are still stretched out. The advantage of this is since most of our land masses are between in the middle, most of our land masses are accurate. Obviously not Antarctica, but most of our land masses, since they're closer to the equator, are much more accurate. Mostly the oceans are the areas that get stretched out. So it gives us a better view of the world, even though it's not quite perfect. So here is our picture of a Robinson projection map of the world. You'll notice the curves. There are different kinds of projection maps. We're going to worry about this one for now. So let's look at our questions. The first question says, what is a system for mapping the round Earth on a flat surface called? And that what we just talked about is the projection map. So all you need to put on this first line is projection or projection map. The second question says, is it true or false that the Robinson projection shows the size of the continents accurately, but the water areas are expanded to fill the extra space? So, what I'm going to say on that is they're looking for true, but then I would probably add mostly because we have a land area down at the bottom that's Antarctica, and that is stretched out. But they want true, and I would say mostly.